What's up? It's your boy Case Kid. We're gonna try playing this new game called, well, it's not new, it's just new to me. We're gonna do, we're gonna do this one for a little bit. I wish I could have a cameraman just hold this so that I can play and talk at the same time. But a certain person's in the background that is playing video games. So if you hear the shooting, that's from Fallout. He's playing Fallout or whatever. So I'm sorry for the background noise because he won't turn it down. I asked him nicely to turn it down, but he won't do it. Being an a-hole. But
you're fucking gay, that's why.
Welcome to driver training here at Aachen Depot. Here you will be taken through the operation of a BR442 Town 2 electric
Because
motor
you're
unit.
fucking gay, that's why.
shut up.
We will go through the training preparation,
Oh,
critical driving
I
controls, and passenger
probably will be only like a
Climb aboard to get started.
10-minute video or so. I don't know. I'm trying to do this and record this at the same time. It's kind of hard. How do I do it? Climb the stairs. Sit in the driver's seat.
In normal operation, this unit draws electricity from the overhead catenary via a pantograph. However, since the pantograph is currently in the down position, we have to power the initial systems by priming the auxiliary battery.
Okay. And I don't know how to and I don't know how to do that.
Now you have to turn off the challenge stuff now.
What?
Remember?
What? Hey, can you do that real quick, please?
No.
A-hole.
What?
Okay, why? I want me to try this. But,
Oh. It's right there. You turn right there. Turn the battery on for 5 seconds. See, you dumbass. Here, take the fucking camera.
With power available, use the master switch to unlock the control desk and turn on the multifunction displays.
okay, I think this is gonna be the end of it. I said it was gonna be a little longer, but I think it's gonna be the end of it because I don't have a cameraman, and the cameraman won't help me. So, yeah, but
Because he's gay.
let me know if you want me to do like a series or anything on
Just
this
do another
game.
recording. Do another recording.
Peace, y'all.